Alright, I was in GameStop today and I had to get rid of a gift card I got for Christmas, so what did we get? VR aim controller. What did I do with the receipt? Just in case it doesn't work, I gotta bring it back. But I did a YouTube video. I just bought it today. $60. Oh, need to raise it late. Alright, it's not coming out, so we're going to do it this way. There we go, to come out a little. And there's the magic. Which reminds me, I need to go out and get some batteries. Directions. Make sure there's something I'm not going to throw out that I needed. Ooh. Alright, now we got to teach ourselves how to use it. Looks like the battery's internal. We don't have to go out and get batteries. And there's a charging port. Cool. Usually I say thank you Google, but this was a gift card. We had to get rid of it. Just rip this open. Not my language. I'm sure one of these is in English. Alright, we'll have to read up. Now we can play VR games. Or shooters. Everybody told me to go get Doom, so I did a little research. Seems like it's pretty cool as opposed to what everybody else is playing these days. I think we're going to do some Doom.